Court of Thorns and Roses.
Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back. So in today's video I'll be taking you guys through a chill day at home. I'm finally back from college. I have few things planned for this break, which mainly focuses on so many different hobbies which I neglected while I was at college, and because I was so busy. Now we have a lot to catch up on, so I thought I'll take you guys with me. So the number one thing on the list is writing a novel. I've been wanting to write a novel ever since I was a child, but I never really know how to. But I guess now I have the courage and the time to start writing something. So currently I am writing a murder mystery, and this is a genre which I love: thriller, murder mystery, crime. This is my thing. So I thought, why don't I just stick to what I like and produce something I like to read. As for now, I'm not actually planning to publish the novel, but I do have that in mind. Do let me know if I should publish my novel or not. If I have an audience, it is you guys, and so let me know if you're interested. I will try my best to finish writing and publish at least few copies for you guys, because you are the only motivation that I have. So most of the time I'm either watching, sleeping and writing. That's basically my vacation here at home. I've been wanting a good shoes for quite some time now, and after thinking much, I have finally made the decision to go for this one, and I'm so happy with the purchase. Also, after watching so many creators try on Savana by Urbanic, even myself got influenced, so I decided to shop from Savana by Urbanic, and I got this black trouser pants and a t-shirt, because yeah, these are the basics you need for college, which is so easy to wash and easy to style.
Para mí, lo mejor de los viajes.
There are so many things that I want to learn and unlearn this academic year. So, along with writing a novel, I am excited to pick up a few new hobbies, and one of them is learning a new language, which I think will look great on my resume, because most of the languages I have learned growing up, including English, were through watching something I enjoyed, and because of that, I like that kind of learning method. I myself have been learning Spanish for quite some time now, and I'm not good at it, but I've tried several traditional methods, but I was so inconsistent. But now I have found something so amazing called Lingopie, where you can learn new languages by watching movies and series, which is more interactive and effective in learning. I honestly love these kind of tools for learning because they make the whole process easy, and it helps to become fluent in a language that I'm learning, with features like subtitles with instant translations, flashcard, and quizzes. It is a complete game changer. Honestly speaking, Lingopie has been helping me to learn vocabulary in a way that doesn't feel like studying at all. And if you're looking forward to picking up new hobbies this year, I highly recommend giving Lingopie a try. Even they offer a free trial, so there is no harm in checking it out. While I'm learning some Spanish, I hope you find something new and exciting to explore. I am currently reading Verity by Colin Hoover. this is a very mid book and it has traumatized me so much, but I'm still reading it. I'll keep you guys updated once I'm done. After that, I tried on clothes, all the clothes in my wardrobe, because I wanted a new style for the upcoming academic year. So yeah, and then I decided to continue to write my novel. I am going very slow because I don't know, I'm taking it too slow, and of course I'm taking some help as well. So I've been writing, reviewing, and just so after writing a bit, I went downstairs and made something really impulsively. I made a chocolate pudding. So after dinner, I decided to have some of it, and this is the chocolate pudding that I made. It was so simple, so easy. I always wanted to try this while I was at college, but I couldn't. I got time to finally make this once I came back home. And of how it tasted good. Not too good, not too bad. It was mid, okay guys. Let's be honest. But I didn't want to say it because I made it, obviously. And after that I sat down to write and I finished my day.